Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to fully use Attio for your business. Attio CRM is a modern and customizable customer relationship management tool that helps businesses manage relationships, communications, and workflows efficiently. It is designed to be flexible enough for startups, agencies, and even large teams who need a CRM that adapts to their way of working, not the other way around. Unlike traditional CRMs that can feel stiff and overly complicated, Attio offers a clean interface, powerful automation, and real-time collaboration that makes it easy to use even for non-technical users. To get started with Attio, you'll first need to create an account. Once you log in, you'll land on a dashboard that provides a high-level view of your workspace. You'll notice that Attio organizes information in a way that resembles a spreadsheet and database combined. It's dynamic, customizable, and allows you to create different views depending on what you want to focus on. One of the first things you'll want to do is import your contacts. You can do this manually via a CSV file or by syncing with Google Contacts. Once imported, Attio automatically builds profiles for each contact, collecting their information from your email and calendar history. This means every interaction with the person is visible in one timeline, saving you from jumping between apps to find old emails or meetings. Attio also allows you to create collections, which are essentially databases where you can manage anything from sales pipelines to hiring processes. Each collection can have different views: Kanban boards for visual pipelines, list view for detailed data, and calendar view for deadline management. These collections are fully customizable. You can add custom fields, filters, and even automations to tailor each workspace to your business process. Let's say you're using Attio for sales. You'd start by creating a collection for your sales pipeline. You can define stages like lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and closed. Dragging and drop deals through these stages is simple. Each deal can include fields like deal value, contact name, status, and expected close date. You can filter deals by value, assign them to teammates, and even create automated tasks based on pipeline movement. Speaking of automation, Attio makes it simple to create workflows that save time and reduce manual work. You can automate emails, reminders, task creations, and more. For example, you can set a rule that says when a deal moves to the proposal send stage, automatically assign follow-up tasks to a teammate for 3 days later. These rules can be set using Attio's intuitive drag-and-drop automation builder. Another powerful feature is the email syncing. By connecting your email, Attio will automatically pull in communication history with each contact. You won't need to PCC a CRM address or remember to log emails manually. Everything is automatically updated, and you can see who's communicating with whom across the team. This transparency helps everyone stay in the loop without endless status meetings. Attio also supports team collaboration. You can mention teammates in notes, assign tasks, and leave comments directly on records. Permissions can be customized so team members only see what's relevant to them. This makes Attio especially useful for cross-functional teams who need access to shared data but want to avoid clutter. Custom fields are another key element. You can create text fields, number fields, drop-downs, date pickers, and even relationship fields that link records between collections. For example, you might link a deal record to a contact and to a company. This relational structure makes it easy to build complex databases without needing technical background. The analytics and reporting features allows you to track performance over time. You can build custom reports and dashboards to visualize KPIs like revenue, lead conversion rate, average deal cycle, and more. These visuals can be shared with stakeholders or used for internal decision making. Attio's mobile app offers most of the same functionality as the desktop version. You can view and update records, leave comments, get notifications, and check your pipeline on the go. This is especially handy for sales teams or field agents who aren't always at their desk. Security and privacy are taken seriously. Attio uses bank-level encryptions and offers permission controls to ensure that sensitive information is only visible to the right people. It also complies with GDPR, making it safe for businesses operating in Europe. Attio's approach to CRM is built on real-time collaboration, which isn't just about working together, it's about seeing changes happen instantly across your team. When a team member edits or contact or adds a note, everyone sees it alive, without needing to refresh or reload. This makes Attio especially useful for distributed teams and remote-first companies who need constant visibility into client activity. The notes and task system in Attio is also tightly integrated with every contact and company. You can pin notes to the top of any profile, assign tasks directly from an interaction timeline, and use Markdown formatting for clarity. This task can also be filtered and tracked across the entire workspace, making it easy for managers to see what's pending without micromanaging. Another laser-known strength is relationship history tracking. Attio creates a living timeline of every interaction your team has had with the contact. Emails, calls, meetings, notes, and files are all visible in one place. You can scroll through the entire history like a story, giving full context before a call or pitch. Attio also offers smart tags and dynamic fields, which update automatically based on rules. For example, you can create a tag for high engagement that activates when more than 3 emails have been exchanged in a week, or cold delete if no interaction has occurred in 30 days. This condition helps automate prioritizations without needing coding or third-party tools. One often overlooked aspect is linked records, which let you associate any contact or company with other data types like opportunities, contracts, or even events. This lets you build complex relationship maps without jumping between different apps. Everything stays in context inside your CRM. Attio also supports bulk action that go beyond mass editing. You can bulk tag, bulk assign tasks, and even bulk archive old entries, streamlining list cleanups or mass updates. For example, if a campaign ends, you can bulk update all leads connected to it as completed in seconds. The mobile experience of Attio is another plus. It's designed to let you access your full CRM, view timelines, and edit information on the go without losing any formatting or data. It's especially useful for sales reps or founders working in the field. If your business deals with multi-step pipelines, Attio lets you create multi-relationship pipelines, not just for sale but also hiring, partnerships, onboarding, or investors' relationships. Each pipeline can be customized with its own stages and criteria, providing complete control. Attio CRM isn't just static, it evolves with usage thanks to its intelligent data enrichment. When you add a contact using just an email, Attio can automatically pull publicly available information like job title, LinkedIn profile, company details, and even location. This automation helps keep your database rich and saves hours of manual data entry. One feature that sets Attio apart is its relationship strength scoring. Instead of just tracking the number of emails, it looks at response times, frequency, and recency of communication to assign a dynamic strength score to each relationship. This helps teams identify which leads or clients are warm, fading, or strong at glance. Attio also lets you build custom views and dashboards with filters, sorting, and layout preferences saved per user. For instance, a founder can view funding prospects with a high relationship score, while a marketer can view leads tagged from a recent webinar. Each team member can tailor their workspace without affecting others. What many users don't realize is that Attio's activity syncing is two-way and near instant. Not only can it pull in Gmail or Outlook emails, but when you send emails from Attio, they're also reflected in your native inbox, ensuring no disconnect between tools. This means sales teams don't have to worry about missing messages or switching between platforms. Attio also allows you to embed CRM views externally, like sharing a filtered view of leads with a partner or advisor without giving them full access. These shared links are read-only and expire automatically after a set time, perfect for investor updates or reporting. For tech-savvy teams, Attio has a powerful GraphQL API. Unlike REST, this lets developers fetch exactly the data they want in this structure they need, making it ideal for building custom integrations or reporting dashboards with tools like Retool or Notion. Lastly, Attio has GDPR compliance and security protocols built in. You can manage data retention, users access logs, and export personal data upon request. It's an underrated feature that gives confidence to business handling sensitive customer information, especially in Europe or regulated industries. To use Attio CRM effectively, sign up and log in. Then import or sync your contacts. Next, create collection to manage pipelines, hiring, or other workflows. Customize views and add custom fields. Now set up automations to reduce manual work. Sync your email to track all communications, assign tasks, and collaborate with teammates. Now use reports and dashboard to monitor performance. With its user-friendly design and flexible customizations, Attio CRM offers a complete solution for managing customer relationships, internal processes, and team collaboration. Whether you're running a small startup or large team, it adapts to your needs and helps streamline every part of your business process in one unified platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.